You may be wondering that as you start your computer this morning, a Windows logo appears on your status bar. This Windows logo is all about the reservation for the new Windows 10. This limited time upgrade offers for a full version of Windows 10. First, we will reserve. Second, we will wait for a notification for it to be installed. And third, let's enjoy the new Windows 10. We will be seeing the much awaited Start menu in Windows 10. It is designed for speed and ease, especially for multitasking, as seen here in the image on the right side. Amazing new features like Cortana and etc. Discover new favorites in the Windows Store, like apps, games, movies, and music. Reserve your Windows 10 upgrade today. Your email will be asked for the confirmation. All done for now. There's nothing else you need to do, and you'll get a notification on your PC or tablet when Windows 10 is ready for you. So let's view the confirmation. Your upgrade is reserved already. Regarding the new Windows 10, let's look on Google about the latest news. Windows 10 will be released on July 29. I know that you're excited just like me. So what are you waiting for? Reserve your free copy now. Just stay tuned on my channel because I will be making a video on how to upgrade from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10 when it's already available.